The hypothesis on the black hole is rendered moot as the explanation for the explosion.
Hey guys, this is Jagdeep Singh here from V2PT Academic. So today we are going to cover one of the most important tasks of PT. I would say which is your repeat sentence. During this video you will learn about basics, repeat sentence scoring guide, tips or strategies. So let me get through the basics first. So there is no doubt that repeat sentence heavily impacts on speaking and listening scores. You get a 3-second preparation time that then you listen to the audio sentence and you repeat it with your own voice. The question length varies from 3 seconds to as long as 9 seconds long. But there is a 3-second mic rule where if you don't say anything for 3 seconds, the mic cuts off. In a single test, you will get between 10 to 12 repeat sentence questions depending on the length of the sentences. But there is a no beep sound in the beginning of the audio recording. So you have to pay attention to the screen timer at all time. There is 1 second wait time before you start recording your voice. After the audio finishes, wait 1 second before you start speaking into the mic. Now let's have a look at the scoring system of this task. So one repeat sentence carries 13 points. You will get 5 points from fluency, 5 points from pronunciation, and 3 points from content. Now I will explain 3 parameters in details. Before that, one very important point to note that from repeat sentence task, you get points in both speaking and as well as in listening module. And let's talk about how do you get 5 points in fluency. So in PT, you get 5 points in fluency. If you repeat and speak at natural pace, you go in flow, without hesitating anywhere, without stopping anywhere, without repeating anything, and without correcting yourself. So next comes to your pronunciation. So basically pronunciation in PT means that your speech or your English is clear enough for native English speaker to understand you without any extra effort. So to make sure you are very clear, and as you know that a computer system is gonna mark you, you have to make sure you are very clear and bit loud as well, so that computer can understand you very easily. So make sure you are clear and loud. Lastly comes your content. In content you get 3 points from repeat sentence. Let's have a look how to get 3 points in content. So the points basically in your content section are completely dependent on the amount of the percentage of the words you speak from the audio in your answer. If you repeat all the words in the correct sequence, you will get 3 points. Otherwise, if you missed some words and if you speak more than 50%, you will get 2 points. And in case you missed more than 50% words, you will get 1 point. In the last, if you repeat nothing in your response, you will get 0 point. So make sure repeat maximum words, but in a correct sequence. Let's have a look at 4 different strategies. If you don't remember completely the whole sentence, or if you remember only single part of few words from the sentence, how you get a lot of points in your repeat sentence. Try to understand the complete sentence. Once the audio stops, repeat the sentence in the same way as speaker did, which means same pause and stress.
For example,
if you have a driving license, getting a job would be easier for you.
if you have a driving license, getting a job would be easier for you. If you have a driving license, getting a job would be easier for you.
I guess the only way to make up for all the lost time is by doing overtime.
I guess the only way to make up for all the lost time is by doing overtime. I guess the only way to make up for all the lost time is by doing overtime. I guess the only way to make up for all the lost time is by doing overtime.
Try to create a picture of the sentence in your mind. For example,
I can't attend the lecture because I have a doctor appointment. I can't attend the lecture because I have a doctor appointment.
this method is very helpful for you to understand the complete sentence. So next comes your strategy number 3. The sentence provided are always grammatically correct. If you miss something, try to fill in using grammatic correction. For example,
I can't attend the lecture because I have a doctor appointment.
if you miss something, try to fill in using grammatic corrections. Let's have a look at strategy number 4, which is very helpful for long sentences. In this strategy, you have to memorize first half and write rest half. For example, you have to memorize first half and write down last few words.
I can't attend the lecture because I have a doctor appointment.
If you don't remember completely the whole sentence, so you have to memorize first half and write down last few words, but don't write the complete words. Only write down the initials, which means the first 2 or 3 alphabets of each word. This technique is very helpful for long sentences. So best of luck, keep practicing. Or if you're new our YouTube channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. And you can join our Telegram group for monthly predictions.
V2PTE Academic. We are providing online PTE coaching and monthly practice test. You can also stay connected with us. Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. For more information visit our WhatsApp on given number. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates.